Looking to learn video editing? Tony Teach is hosting live online masterclasses for beginners wanting to learn Adobe Premiere. Check out this 30-second video that you'll learn how to create in our 2-day masterclass.
You're watching a series of video clips shot by multiple videographers in multiple locations, all edited together in Adobe Premiere. The background sounds, my voice, and even the falling snow all were added in post. And for all of this, you're welcome.
Imagine knowing nothing or very little about Adobe Premiere, and after taking our short course, knowing how to edit and create projects like this for your job, clients, or video ideas of your own. As these are live classes, seating is limited, so sign up today at learnpremiere.eventbrite.com. I'll see you there.